Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to fix a Canon printer that has a blinking error of 5 orange blinks. Usually this is caused by the cartridge not getting recognized by the printer. So the first thing that you will have to do is open up this printer like that, and open this cartridge bay, this cartridge holder, and remove the 2 cartridges. Okay, so in most cases this is caused by some dirt that accumulates over these gold contact points, that it becomes hard for the printer to recognize the cartridges. So the best thing that you can do is get a toilet paper and put a few drops of regular rubbing alcohol there, and then wipe the dirt that has accumulated. You'll get some colors in there. And do the same thing on the other cartridge. So you might as well consider cleaning the gold contact points right there with some alcohol too. So get a regular cotton bud, put in a few drops, then wipe off. Be gentle on it. Wipe off those dirts. Okay, there are some dirts. Then just put back the cartridges and let's see if it's fixed. So there it is. It's already fixed. In some cases, this cartridge bay gets loose over time, and you need to replace it. But since this is just a very cheap printer, a $20 printer, I suggest you just do the simple trick of putting a toilet paper that I crumpled like in a letter L form. Put it there to make it tight, to make the grip tight, and push the cartridge further to make the contact more engaged. This is the other one. Let's see if it becomes stable. Okay, so to make a test print without a computer, the next thing you would do is to press this reset power button, hold it, and when this green power button lights up 2 times, release it. It will start to print a test page. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's wait for the test print. Okay, so as you can see, I have run out of the magenta. So I will just have to refill it first. So that's it. I hope you learned something, and thank you for watching.